Hello viewers, good day to you all. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel, and also those who are following me through Facebook. Welcome back to today's class. If you could remember, in our previous class, we discussed on how to trick an easy way on how to memorize first 20 elements of the periodic table, and we discussed on the 15 elements from hydrogen to phosphorus, where I gave you a mnemonic that he has large brain but cannot offer full 9 subjects. Many art students prefer science class and pass chemistry. We stop at many art students prefer, which is phosphorus. Then science, it will be as sulfur. Class will serve as chlorine, An, which is argon, Pas, which is potassium, and also chemistry, which is calcium. So if you take the first letter of all those words in my mnemonic, they will give you the complete name of my elements, the first 20 elements of the periodic table, which are the main focus for the O level, and also which are discussed further in details in A level. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow my page if you are new to my page, or if you are following my page, keep on sharing this video, like this video. If you enjoy the video, comment. If you have any question to ask, let's interact in the comment section. Drop whatever question you have in the comment section before you share the video. By God's grace, today we are going to continue as I said. So now we finished elements. We are going to enter symbols and mass number. How to write symbols and also mass numbers. Before that, for symbols, there are some exceptional elements that their symbol is not from their names, and there are some names their symbols is from the name written as, like for example sulfur, and there are some elements that their symbol is not like from the first letter of their name or the first 2 letters of their name, rather in the middle or something like that. As the case may be, you are going to see. Now let's go back from the hydrogen, that's number 1 element. Let's start writing its symbol up to calcium before we proceed. The first element we have here is hydrogen. So the symbol of hydrogen is the first letter of its name, which is capital letter H. And don't forget, when writing the symbol of any element, there are rules governing to writing symbol of each element in periodic table. Number 1 rule is that the symbol of each element, if it is only single letter, it should be in capital letter. The situation whereby an element has two alphabets as the symbol, the first letter should be in capital letter, while the second letter must be in small letter. I hope this is understood. Now, the next number 2 element is helium, and the first letter is H, and also according to the rule, no element will have the same symbol. So if that is the case, H, capital H and small letter E is being used as a symbol of helium. Then lithium as well, the first letter and also I. As you can see, it's very easy to remember the symbols. The moment you memorize the elements, you don't have to bother yourself for symbols. Those that have an exceptional case, I can mention them and I will give the reason for that. So the next one is also Be for beryllium, also for boron, B. The reason why we didn't use B alone for beryllium, because boron has B, and there is no way you can write an element with similar symbol. You must differentiate them. That is how rule give them the symbol. Then for the next element, which is carbon, it will be C. The next one, nitrogen, N, and also the next one, which is oxygen, to be O. Also, the next one, which is fluorine, this one will be F. And for neon, it will be Ne, because nitrogen is already N. So there's no way you can still write N for neon, because you cannot write the same symbol with two elements. So we add E to differentiate them. Also for sodium, this one I told you that there are those that have an exceptional case. Sodium is included among those exceptional elements. So we can't just write S or SO as a symbol of sodium. Instead, we use Na. Yes, I know some will be curious. Why does that symbol of sodium be Na instead of S or SO? So I will explain that. Let's go further. For magnesium, also, I told you that some it's not necessary for their symbol to be the first two letters. It may be from the middle. So this one is Mg instead of M or Ma. So for aluminium, it should be A capital letter and small letter L. Also for silicon, S and I. Also for phosphorus, then P. So this is for the first 15 elements. Then the next one is number 16 element, which is sulfur, and the symbol of sulfur is S, capital letter S. Also for chlorine, this one is also among those that I said. It should be the first letter and in the middle. So chlorine is among those that have such kind of symbol, capital letter and small letter L. Also for argon, you write AR. And also for potassium, it should be K. Also, don't be curious and don't be panic. As you see it K, don't say why am I confusing? No, you are not confused. There is a reason why the symbol for potassium be as K. Also, I will explain that further together with sodium. So the next one, which is the last element for the first 20 element, which is number 20, calcium, which is C, capital letter C and small letter A. So there is what we call as a Latin name. Sodium has Latin name as natrium. Also for potassium has Latin name as kalium. So as you can see, their symbol is derived from their Latin name. I will not explain further because Latin name is a class on its own. So in the next video or in the next class, if you are following me, you will see the Latin name of all the elements in periodic table that their symbol is derived from their Latin name. So we are going to see them, all of them, in our next video. Thank you. And don't forget, before the next video for Latin name, we didn't write the mass number. As you can see, the mass number is also empty. So follow my next video and see how you can write and memorize the mass number of each element in the periodic table. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, write a comment. If you don't understand something, ask in the comment section. We are going to discuss and interact together and find out the solution for your problem. So also follow me, also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Love you all.